All right, as requested, I'm gonna do apartment tour, show you guys where I live and break down how much it costs and everything. This is outside my apartment. You see Longyearbyen, right? All right. So we first walk in, got a little room, little vestibule. They say don't lock the doors, but you know, old habits die hard. I'm locking my doors. So in here, you have coat, rack hangers, everything. It's customary in Norway to take off your shoes. So do not come into my apartment with your shoes on. You see I have slippers here and here that I wear in the house. This room has a fireplace, a fire extinguisher. Oh my goodness. Fire extinguisher, and it has its own heater. This is like the heaters, and this is like all the heaters in the apartment. Can you hear it? Maybe not. Well, anyway, it's gas. All right. Turn that on, bam. So then when you come in, oh yeah, got the shoe spoon, help put your shoes on. And I got that in grease. That's to keep all the evil spirits and hating spirits away from me. So I'm blessed. All right. So when you first come in, this is my bedroom. All right. And got a closet there, my bed, and a little, you know, cabinet there. Even though you have the polar night going on, or the polar sun with the midnight sun, it's sunny all day. In my room, though, it'll be dark. The blackout curtain, but you know, keep that pushed up a little bit. But it's dark in my room. But you can see, if I close the door, you can't like see nothing in there, right? Okay, hallway, another heater, and there's a heater in my bedroom. This is like another little closet here. It's just, you know, storage. My rain boots, snow boots. Hallway, bathroom. Toilet seat stays down. Boy, when you first toilet in my apartment, you better have that toilet seat down. I swear, because you do it once, it ain't gonna happen twice. I'll tell you what. Shower, washing machine, but no dryer. Everybody, so we just hang the clothes on the little rack here. That's how you dry everything. Some people got dryers. They luxurious. They live in the hills. I don't have a dryer. But I just have my bathroom here. That's what it looks like. Right? Oh, also here, this is the floor heater. It's off now, but you can turn it on all the way up to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees Celsius. And that will heat up the bathroom floor. So here we have the living room. Right now it's like 1:15, almost 1:30 in the morning. As you can see what it looks like outside because we're on Svalbard. And the sun will not go down until like September. But this is the living room and the kitchen. Right here. If you saw my last video, you see why I have 11 pizzas over there. It's a funny story. And yes, I'm gonna eat all of them. So, have that here. A little bookshelf. You know, I'm a bartender, so, you know, I got my trade, amazing gin from Switzerland. And, you know, look, Jesus knows who I am. So, you know, gotta have all my stuff. Got some coal, some nice little rocks, whatever, my bookshelf. Dominoes, because I play dominoes. So if you want it, you could get it. Norge for alltid. Norge for alltid, right there. TV. Small flag. It was just the 17th of May, so that's what we have there. I got that from a place, the Positive Shop on Kos Island in Greece. Got my table. If you watch my last video, see I'm wearing the same outfit. And yes, Lindsay reindeer treats are still 25 cents. We got good news today. But yeah. And then we have my fridge, freezer. So this is my apartment, everybody. This is where I live. I will be releasing this video after I move away. So y'all don't try, you know, come get me. But I paid $9,000. Go ahead. I paid 9,500 kroner for this apartment. That is like 950 euro, 960 euro. It's not bad. And then I paid 500 kroner for power. It's like 50 euro. And then I gotta check my Telenor bill, but I pay, I'm not quite sure how much my internet bill is. I need to pay it. Yeah. But yeah, and this apartment was furnished. Everything came here, came with the apartment. Like everything you see, dishes, cutlery, except for the TV. I bought that TV and I will be selling that before I go because I'm moving to Tromsø, to the mainland. But everything else was here. And all my stickers, bam. I'm Dulles Fly out here. If you don't know, you need to know. I'm Dulles Fly. By EBS, Harbor Experience Seoul. It's a lot of stuff going on. And you see I got the lights on right now. But if I turn them off, this is still what the apartment looks like right now. No, wait, hold on. Turn that off and turn that off. This is still what it looks like at 1:30 in the morning. But anyway, I hope this answers people's questions about where I live. They wanted to know what it looked like. This is my place. It's 1 bedroom. I'm here. Just me. And I like it. And look, as you can see, now with the lights off, you can see it's dark in there. But yep. Oh, yeah, I locked it. I remember now. But yeah. And then bam. So that is mi casa.